Should I have a trial tech or should I try to do things myself?
There are cases where it is hard to justify the cost of having a trial tech in the courtroom. And if you're working on a lean and mean trial, you might want to consider how much it's going to cost to have a trial tech there versus trying to do some of the elements yourself. And there are ways that you can be efficient in trying a case. And so if you're trying the case and you're having a paralegal or an associate who's there to help you, having that person learn some of the technology and using simpler technology approaches of, say, exhibits in PDF form as opposed to trying to use fancy on-cue to blow up sections. If you don't have a lot of video depositions, or if you can get by with impeachment without video depositions, particularly if you're trying to do like an expedited jury trial or others where you want to be mindful of the costs, those are areas where you might consider not having a trial tech. However, if you have significant exposure and you want to be able to focus on just trying the case, having a trial tech is game-changing in terms of being able to just sit and focus on the case and know that the trial tech will be dealing with all the issues. It takes a lot of pressure off. And the trial techs are out there who this is what they do day in, day out, are going to be far better than even the best person in your office trying to figure the software out before trial. Hopefully this has been helpful for folks, and particularly if you're getting ready for trial. If there are questions that you have on this or other areas, we'd be happy to address them. Hit us at podcast@coopers.law with any questions, comments, feedback you might have for the show. If you found this helpful, we would love your 5-star review, and we'd love for you to share this with anyone who you think might find it beneficial, particularly folks who are getting ready for trial. So to all of you doing justice out there, happy hunting.